Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Today I am going to prepare my favorite summertime dessert, mango pudding. Let's prepare the mango puree. Here I have taken two mangoes and cut the mangoes in cube and put it into the mixture. Now it's time for add sugar and create the puree. Mango puree is ready now. Now I am adding milk in it and create the mixture one more time after adding the milk. Now I have taken a karai, add the puree into it and let's cook it in low flame. Take milk and corn flour and mix it properly so that no lumps will be left. All ingredients used here are given in the description below. Please do check them. Now pour the cornflour mixture slowly to the cooked puree and stir it continuously. If you love the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. When the puree gets thickened, turn off the heat and cool it down in room temperature. After it gets cooled down, pour it in a bowl and cover it with aluminum foil. Now refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, take it out of refrigerator and demold it. Now mango pudding is completely ready. Add mango chunks from the top and serve it. See you again on Friday with new video. Till then, tata.